channel. So as you can see, I have dyed my hair and I thought I would film the process. I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I have dyed my hair like 3 times before with box dyes. So I feel okay with them. However, I wanted to dye my hair to match in with some dark extensions that I had. So I was like really scared to see whether the colour I was going to dye it was going to match the extensions. It does, so I'm really happy. However, I thought I would film the process just because why not? I thought if I do make a mess of it, at least it's funny for you guys to watch, and if I don't, maybe you can learn something from the way I did it. So yes, without further ado, if you would like to see me dyeing my hair this colour, then just carry on watching. So I ended up getting this one. Now this is the one I used last year, like the exact same one, Tempting Chocolate by Scorch Off, or however you say it, the live colour, and it was this exact one I dyed my hair with last year, and it was like really dark. I loved it. So I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to try it. And I also picked up some of like these clips, just a section of my hair. Don't know whether it'll help, but you know, got them anyway. They're only £1.50. And yes, we're just gonna see if we don't ruin my hair right now. So in the box we have the instructions, which I'm going to read off camera, then the developer, the actual cream, gloves and the conditioner. So I'm going to read the instructions and then we will follow them. So I've just applied some Vaseline outside on the outlines because apparently it stops the cream from dyeing your skin. We'll see about that. I've changed the gloves because the gloves are really loose and they do my head in. I've got some latex gloves that I use to clean the flat with, so I'm going to put them on. And I hope that they protect my hands from the dye as well, otherwise we will be in trouble. Right, now I'm scared. I'm also hoping I don't need 2 bottles because it's too late. Because I have, well, if we're looking, really thick hair. Yay! This is blown dry and brushed, so it's very straight for me right now. But yeah, I'm hoping I won't need 2 bottles. However, let's be honest. Well, we're just going to have to make do anyway because I can't now. No going back. Done it now. Shop is closed. Apparently it will start pouring out straight away. Okay, no turning back, we've done it. I'm going to start off with little amounts. I don't know whether that's the right thing to do, but I don't want to run out of the stuff halfway down my head. That will not be good. I used 1 bottle last time and it got me through, and obviously it was the exact same one. However, my hair has grew a little bit since then. Look how blonde my hair is there. That's from holiday. Like, that's just not okay. I did not ask for it to be blonde. Result. This is like I think 4 days after, and I straightened my hair obviously, so it is a little bit greasy at the moment, I'm not going to lie, because it has been straight for a while and it gets a lot greasier when it's straight because my hair is very curly naturally. But yeah, the colour's perfect, it's exactly how I wanted it, so I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So yes, if you did like this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you on Sunday at 6 with another video. Bye guys!